Hello students, in this video lecture we will solve some questions based on logarithmic differentiation. Let us start with the question number 7 from exercise 5.5, that is y equal to log x power x plus x power log x. We need to find the derivative of y with respect to x. Solution. Let us suppose that y equal to u plus v, where u equal to log x power x and v equal to x power log x. Now what will be my dy by dx? It will be du by dx plus dv by dx. So I have split my questions into two parts, that is I have suppose this part as u, this part as v, and I need to find the derivative of this u with respect to x separately and derivative of v with respect to x, and then I'll add both parts. This will be the process. This is necessary to split the function, because if we do not split the function here and we take log in the first step, then my question will reduce to log y equal to log of log x power x plus x power log x. Then there is no property that I can use further, because there are many properties for log functions, but the property that is present for the log of ab is applied only when there is multiplication between a and b, but here it is given that there is addition, so this will be not applicable in this case. So I have to split my function into two parts to solve the correct answer. Now my u is log x power x. Now I will take log on both sides. Log u equal to log of log x power x. Now I'll use the property for log a power n equal to n log a, that is x log x. Now I'll differentiate both sides. What will be the derivative of log u? It is 1 over u du by dx. Now this is my first function, this is my second function. I'll use product rule here. First function as it is, derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. This will be equal to x. Log of this function is 1 over the function. This is the derivative of this log. Now I'll need to find derivative of this log x. It is 1 over function, that is 1 over x. Now derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1, plus log of log x into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So this x will cancel with this x, so I am left with 1 over log x plus log of log x du by dx, and this u will be multiplied here, that is u is log x power x. Similarly, I can find the derivative for v, that is x power log x. Taking log on both sides, log v equal to log of x power log x. Now the power will come first, log x into log x. Log x into log x, that is log x the square, log x square, right? Now differentiating both sides, derivative of log v is 1 over v dv by dx. Now I'll apply power rule first. 2 log x power 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1, into derivative of log x, that is 1 over x, into derivative of x with respect to x is 1, that is 1. So what will be my dv by dx? It is this v will be multiplied here. What is v? It is x power log x into 2 log x over x. This is my equation number 1. Let us consider this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2, this as equation number 3. Now put equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Finally, I will get my dy by dx, that is log x power x 1 over log x plus log of log x plus x log x into 2 log x over x. This will be my answer. Now you can pause the video and try solving it by your own. I'll try one more question. Let us do question number 16. Question number 16. Find the derivative of the function given by f of x equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x power 4, 1 plus x power 8, and hence find f dash at 1. This is my question. So let us consider this as y. This is a product of 4 functions. I'll take log on both sides. Log y equal to log of 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8. Log of a, b, c, d will be equal to log a plus log b plus log c plus log d. So it will become log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x power 4 plus log of 1 plus x power 8. Now I'll take derivative on both sides. This is 1 by y dy by dx equal to, what is the derivative of log 1 plus x? It is 1 over 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x, that is 0 plus 1, plus log of 1 plus x square, 1 over 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square, that is 0 plus 2x, plus derivative of 1 plus x log 1 plus x power 4, it is 1 over 1 plus x power 4 into 0 plus 4x cube, plus 1 over x power 8 into 8x power 7. dy by dx equal to y times the function. Now I need to find dy by dx at point 1. That means put x equal to 1 here. Now put x equal to 1 in y, that is here. It will be 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 square, 1 plus 1 power 4, 1 plus 1 power 8 into 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 over 1 plus 1 square plus 4 into 1 cube over 1 plus 1 power 4 plus 8 into 1 power 7 over 1 plus 1 power 8. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 4 over 2 plus 8 over 2. This is 16 into LCM 2, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 50. 120. This is the answer. You can try all the questions from the exercise. You can leave question number 17 and question number 18 from the exercise because these questions are not important for the Punjab School Education Board purpose. So just try question number 1 to 15. 16 I have done here. Thank you.